morning, guys. I hope you're having a great start to your relaxing weekend. Today is a big Saturday for us. Suzy is going to her first movie today and the weather is amazing today to go to a movie. We are going to a Jump City first and then to a movie. She's going to the movie for the first time. She has never been to a movie theater before. So, I'm really nervous. Parthi is making breakfast for us. What omelette, Parthi?
Cheese omelette.
Cheese omelette. Okay, kids love it. They really love cheese omelette. And my fruit bowl is almost empty. That makes me really happy, when I've used all the fruits. Almost empty it is. I never like to waste any fruits. Girls, where are we going?
Cinema!
It is Suzy's first cinema. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about how the cinema will be. What do you know about cinema?
You had to watch movies and you need to drink slushies and eat popcorn.
Yes, slushies and popcorns. Is that what cinema is all about?
Yes.
Alright, are you really excited?
Yes.
Super excited. And what's the movie we are watching?
How to Train Your Dragon.
How to Train the Dragon. Part 3. Yeah. Sam has watched the other two parts.
Part 1's really good.
Really good? Yeah. I heard part 3 is good too. Yeah. Suzy hasn't. This is her first ever movie in a theatre. This is very first movie.
And it's in Pearly.
Yes, it's in Pearly movies.
And we're going to Jump City after cinema.
Yeah, first cinema and then we'll go to Jump City, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Super excited. Come on, let's go.
Get me ice cream.
Ice cream as well. You said you want slushy.
Slushy, popcorn and ice cream.
Okay then, deal. Well, Suzy thinks movie is all about drinking slushies and eating popcorns, isn't it? I don't know how I'm going to survive there. But before going to the movies, can we eat some cake? Yeah, this is a weekend cake, chocolate cake this week. For you.
Can you
get a plate for Sam?
Cream off?
What?
Can you take a little bit of the cream off?
You don't want the cream?
I don't really like the cream.
Cream is my favorite bit.
I only like the
See a girl who doesn't like cream. Chocolate cream, icing cream. I can have that.
I really like that raspberry cream you did on those cupcakes.
Alright, I'll eat this chocolate cream. Suzy thinks movie is all about drinking slushy and eating popcorns. Will you be quiet at the movies?
I'm not sure.
You don't know? I don't know how I'm going to survive, but I'll tell you after the movie. Let's see how it goes. Here we are at the Jump City first. Suzy! The kids are going to go for jumping first and then we are going to the movies.
Alright jumpers, that just started this session. Just a quick reminder, that is one person.
Is there in your store as well?
There's some free curry.
What is the toy? It's a puzzle. What is it? Is that a puzzle? Yeah, you're happy. Have you got your tickets?
Yes.
Yeah, Suzy has got her movie tickets.
Oh yeah, we got one.
wait. Yeah.
That's enough.
Suzy, how was the movie?
Good.
Did you really enjoy it? We were scared a little bit.
I enjoyed it.
Did you really?
At the end.
At the end. We had a fantastic day at the movie. Suzy really enjoyed the movie, even though she was scared a little bit in the beginning. But then at the end, she enjoyed it. And she had a lovely time in the Jump City as well, jumping for an hour in the trampolines. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video too. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Samyuktha Diaries. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.